Hello and welcome back to Team Overloaded.
Greetings.
So we're back after the Christmas break,
It's a
and
bit more than a Christmas break, isn't it? It's been a break for several months. But 2015, new year, new videos. We are going to do our best to deliver them to you.
yeah, so this is a brand new series.
It's something we've never done before, and we probably will never do again once we've finished the series.
It's going to be quite long. Basically it's going to be building a website.
Yes, we're going to be using a variety of technologies, including HTML and
The internet. Yeah.
Today we'll provide an introduction episode, which you are watching right now.
Or
Episode
listening
0.
to.
Well,
More than audio.
More than audio. There's graphics on screen as you watch.
Yeah.
Then we'll start by setting up, showing you the things you need to get ahead and make a good website. And then we'll move on to the more methodical process of coding the website, going through the HTML and other languages that will be used in this project.
Exactly. So what we're going to be using for this website are Django. This is a Python framework, and we'll be using it to do the server-side scripting. That is handling databases, user information. Yeah, we're going to have users, even though it's a woven e-portfolio, but
Yeah.
I'll just include it to show you what Django can do.
We'll be looking at more topics such as templates. We'll be looking at the different templates that can be used and how they can be adapted to give a very nice interactive site. Not only that, but we'll be getting our hands dirty as we cover the gritty topics of CSRF and security. These are vital if you want to make a website that isn't causing problems all around the internet cross-site.
Yeah, so templates basically. If you have the same code in every page, you can just have that separate code in an HTML file, and then using templates, you can include that code in every other page and not have to type it out over and over again.
Very neat, I think.
Yeah.
It's a wonderful efficiency tool. It has probably revolutionised the internet and made it possible.
I wouldn't say that, Manhattan.
It has made many things possible. Like, for example, YouTube pages. It would be absolutely unfeasible without templates. The page you're watching right now uses a template, and you probably don't even know it.
That's right. Also, the templates in Django allow you to have conditional HTML blocks. So, for instance, if there was an error logging in, then you can have an if block inside your HTML template that will render a error message if there was an error.
Yes.
And it won't put it in the HTML if there wasn't. So they're quite powerful templates.
Brilliant features. Then we'll look at, obviously, as I mentioned, CSRF.
Cross-site request forgery.
Vitally important that you cover this. It can cause all kinds of headaches if it's not done properly.
Yeah, I'm not going to go into the details of what it means.
But we will go into that in a future episode when we look at it in more detail.
So the site itself, it's going to be a kind of a showcase of all the Blender work I've done. I know that's been quite popular on the channel.
Yes.
And I'm going to have like a gallery with like videos linking to YouTube, just to kind of integrate the different parts of the channel.
Yes. Hopefully, if we get enough likes on the videos and enough new subscribers, we may be tempted to include other channel videos in the site. Perhaps maybe making reference to the Oblivion series and OTB. Perhaps. Although it's unlikely. You have to really make an effort if you want that.
Yeah. So in the next episode, which is the first episode in the series, we're going to be getting Python. If you haven't already got Python, you should.
Yes.
And then you need to install Django, and then you need to run your server, and then after that we'll be looking around with the HTML, CSS.
Yeah, and we will be telling you. We won't just be doing, oh, this is what we do. You will learn. It is going to be an interactive experience. If you have any questions at any point, I implore you to put them in the comments and really let us know, because we want to make it so that you understand that it will be a better series if you put your part in and really work well.
Right, that's a nice speech from Manhattan.
I'm always good at my speeches.
And then there's a little surprise. At the end of the series, I'm going to make the site live
Yes.
so that you can go there, make an account, see for yourself the power of Django.
Yes, it'll be live
Yeah.
for all to see.
So, to follow along with the series, you might want to know a bit about HTML and CSS. You don't need to be an expert on them.
But we'd advise just making sure you understand what they are.
Yeah. And of course, you don't need to know Django at all. That's what the main focus
Yeah.
of the series is.
Although some understanding of Python would be
Yeah.
possible.
Yeah.
Ideally, you don't have to be a master. I'm not, but just knowing about things like how you do functions, how you do for loops, if statements should be very useful.
What I'm not going to do is explain what HTML is. I'm just going to go straight into it. I'm not going to be too fast, but I do want you to know what they are. So, thanks for watching.
And bye-bye.